Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to send video messages on WhatsApp. So let's get started. Before starting the video, I recommended you just go to Play Store and update your WhatsApp application here. First of all, open WhatsApp application. Then open any conversation to send video message. After that, here you click on microphone icon at the bottom right corner. When you click on it, then the microphone icon will turn into a video camera icon. After that, just tap and hold on video camera button. Now you can see a countdown has started. And now you can see video recording has started. Here you can record up to 60 seconds. Here you can flip camera by clicking on flip button. After you finish your recording, just release your finger from the video camera button. Now you can see that my video message has been sent successfully. So by this process you can send video messages on WhatsApp easily. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.